So today we are going to solve the question in building course. Question are related to TIG and CO2 building MCQ with the answers. First question is, which is the non-consumable electrode is used in GTAW process? First, carbon electrode, copper electrode, aluminum electrode, tungsten electrode. The right answer is tungsten electrode. Let's see. The right answer is tungsten electrode. Now our second question is, what is the type of nozzle is used in TIG welding? Brass nozzle, ceramic nozzle, copper nozzle, aluminum nozzle. My answer is ceramic nozzle. Let's see. The answer is ceramic nozzle. Now question number 3. What is the minimum percentage of chromium in stainless steel? 0.065, 0.08, 0.1, 0.112. My answer is 0.12. Let's see the answer. Yes, answer is 0.12. Question number 4. What is the range of PWST for stainless steel grade 316L? 1010 degree to 1120 degree centigrade, 1035 degree to 1120 degree centigrade, 1035 degree to 1107 degree centigrade, 1065 degree to 1120 degree centigrade. The right answer is 1035 degree to 1107 degree centigrade. Let's see the answer. Yes, the right answer is 1035 degree to 1107 degree centigrade. Now the question number 5 is, which is the welding process that produces the arc with bare filler rod shielded by CO2 gas? First, mag welding, second, MIG welding, third, TIG welding, fourth, plasma arc welding. My answer is mag welding. Let's see. Yes, the right answer is mag welding. Now we have to go on second page. Our sixth question is, how the molten puddle is protected against atmospheric oxygen and nitrogen while using bare electrode in mag welding? By air, by flux, by electrode, by shielding gas CO2. My answer is by shielding gas CO2. Let's see what is the correct answer. Yes, by shielding gas CO2. Now question number 7. What is the purpose of inlet end of heater connected to gas cylinder in CO2 welding? First, enable flow to regulator, avoid ice forming of CO2, connect to flow meter, improve flow of gas. My answer is avoid ice forming of CO2. Let's see what is the right answer. The right answer is avoid ice forming of CO2. Question number 8. Which gas mixture is used in GMAW spray transfer from 25 to 76 mm thick aluminum block? 90% helium to 10% argon, 90% helium, 25% argon, 75% helium, 10% argon, 75% helium, 25% argon. The right answer, my answer is 75% helium and 10% argon. Let's see what is the right answer. The right answer, 75% helium and 25% argon. Question number 9. What is the gas mixer used for copper, nickel and alloys of heavier gas thickness in GMAW spray transfer? Argon, helium, helium, argon, argon, oxygen. My answer is helium, argon. Let's see what is the right answer. Yes, the right answer is helium, argon. Question number 10. What is the normal preheating temperature for aluminum welding by TIG process? 100 degree, degree centigrade to 120, and 160 degree to 180, 180 degree to 205, 200 degree to 222 degree centigrade. My answer is 180 degree to 205 degree centigrade. Let's see what is the right answer. Yes, the right answer is 180 degree to 25 degree centigrade. Go through. Let's now we have to go on the page number 3. Question are related to TIG and CO2 building, MCQ with answers. Question number 11. What is the flow rate of organ gas to weld aluminum of 5.0 mm thickness with filler rod of 3.15 mm? 3000 to 340, 340 to 4000, 450 to 500, and 510 to 570. My answer is 450 to 510. Let's see what is the right answer. The right answer is 450 to 510. Now question number 12. Which is the process of rapid cooling of metal from a high temperature for the purpose of hardening? Drilling, pickling, quenching, soaking. My answer is quenching. Let's see what is the answer. Answer is quenching. Question number 13. Which is the recommended AWS filler metal for welding austenitic stainless steel type 3024 GTAW process? E308, E308L, ER308L, E308LT to X. The right answer is, my answer is 308. Let's see what is the correct answer. The correct answer is E308. Now question number 14. What is the recommended tungsten electrode tip for DCEN used for welding stainless steel in GTAW process? 45 degree bevel edge, 60 degree conical point, 90 degree conical pointed, ball pointed. My answer is 60 degree conical point. Let's see what is the correct answer. The right answer is 60 degree conical point. Okay. Question number 15. What is the recommended tungsten electrode tip used for GTAW in AC polarity? Bevel tip, conical tip, rounded tip, straight tip. My answer is rounded tip. Let's see what is the correct answer. Yes, answer is rounded tip. Let's go on the page number 4. Question number 16. What is the defect caused by air mixed with gas and CO2 welding? Overlap, blowhole, incomplete penetration, excess wide bead. My answer is blowhole. Let's see what is the correct answer. Yes, the right answer is blowhole. Question number 17. What is the cause for excessive wide bead while welding in CO2 process? Inadequate gas flow, building current too low, too small diaphragm nozzle, building speed too low. My answer is building speed too low. Let's see what is the answer. Yes, right answer is building speed too low. What is the defect caused by high current and low voltage in GMAW process? First, sputter. Second, undercoat. Third, incomplete fusion. Fourth, crack on base metal. My answer is crack on base metal. Let's see what is the correct answer. Yes, right answer is crack on base metal. Question number 19. What is the remedy for incomplete fusion of weld in GMAW process? Dirty belt joint, too long cable, improper welding angle, correct the root dimension. My answer is correct the root dimension. Let's see, check what is the right answer. Yes, right answer is correct the root dimension. Question number 20. What is the remedy to prevent the air contamination in the belt by GMAW process? Connect the gas regulator, increase the length of a gas pipe, inert gas backing, reduce flow rate of gas. My answer is inert gas backing. Let's see what is the right answer. Yes, right answer is inert gas baking. Let's go on the page number 5. Now this is the last and final question of uh, in this MCQ question answer. Last question is 21. What is the reason for overheating of welding cables? Uh, Welding speed low, welding speed high, cable connection loose, improper welding angle. My answer is cable connection loose. Let's see what is the correct answer. Yes, the right answer is cable connection loose. Okay, this is the 21 question are there was there related with TIG and CO2 building. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.